Hey you guys, this is Techware Tactical back with something a little different. This is actually the second portion of the uscca subscription unboxing. I went in on their platinum membership. I paid with it with my own money. Still not sponsored by anyone, and that's fine. So this is the second portion, a Vault Pelican by Pelican case. So let's see. That looks exactly like the balance beams of my elementary school, actually. So I'm guessing that this is composite plastic of some type. Wow. Very nice. Well, Pelican is known for quality, and they've been in the storage game for quite a long time, so it does not surprise me at all. And just to give you an idea of sizing, I have one of the smaller knockoff Pelican cases from Harbor Freight, their Apache series. These have also been on the channel, and just to give you a size comparison, obviously the Vault is bigger, and as for width, depending on how much you pack into it, about the same. Now these are the button release, which is new. I think it's an improvement for them. And they just fold right up. And then it's your standard high density plastic. Release valve, perfect. And there we go. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next portion.